Good day! I am Rexel Peñalosa.
And I am Nathaniel Shaira Cruz from BS Computer Engineering 4th Year, Section B in Colegio de Montalban.
Today, we will present a robot, the eBot.
The main objective of our eBot is to help the humankind in case of emergency, such as fire explosion.
Therefore, our mission is to create a robot that can be a warning if there is an emergency.
And vision for the robot to perform very well and be useful in case of emergency.
Now, let me discuss the materials and sensors of the eBot. A connection board wherein the wirings are flat.
It is a construction base for prototype of electronics.
Used for connections of LED, power supply, DC motor to breadboard.
A wire is a single, usually cylindrical, flexible, strand, or rod of metal. Wires are used to bear mechanical loads or electricity and telecommunication signals.
There are three types of port. The male port, which is both-ended, have a pin. The female port, which both-ended don't have a pin. And the male to female port, which is the one end has no pin and the other end has a pin. This port is used to connect the sensor to Arduino.
In electrical and mechanical trades and manufacturing, each half of a pair mating connectors are fastened in conversational assigns. The female connector is generally a receptacle that receives and holds the male connector.
This is a power bank and that is a battery, the power source of our eBot.
A power supply is an electronic device that supplies electric energy to an electrical load. The primary function of a power supply is to convert one form of electrical energy to another, and as a result, power supplies are sometimes referred to as electric power converters.
Our buzzer is inside the robot. We use this for alarm. We use this for indicator of sensors.
A buzzer or beeper is an audio signaling device which may be mechanical, electromechanical, or piezoelectric. Typical use of buzzers and beepers includes alarm devices, timers, and confirmation of users' input.
Light emitting diode is used for indicator. This is used for the indicator of motion, for thermistor, for flame, and for smoke.
A light emitting diode or LED is a two-LED semiconductor light source. It is a P-N junction diode which emits light when activated.
Motor shield is used for the control of the speed of DC motor.
This is the motor shield. It lets you drive two DC motors with your Arduino board, controlling the speed and direction of each one independently.
Is connected to the motor shield. It is responsible for the rotation of the back wheels.
A DC motor is any of a class of electrical machines that converts direct current, electrical power into mechanical power. It is smaller than D950 servo. D950 servo is used for the rotation of the body.
Servo mechanism or servo is a device used to provide control of desired operation through the use of feedback. The main function, or much well said, the system of EBOT. This is where the codes are saved.
This is the Arduino Mega.
And this is the Arduino Uno.
Arduino is base kit for building digital devices and interactive objects that can sense and control the physical world. It is used for GSM.
GSM SIM900D. We use this for receiving a text message once the EBOT received the text. The robot will alarm it indicate that there is a fire in that facility.
GSM digitalize and compress data, then send it down a channel with two other streams of user data, each in its own time slot.
LDR, or photoresistor, is a light sensor. This is used to detect automatically the light. If it's bright, the LED will turn off.
And if it is dim, the LED will be turned on. A photoresistor, or light-dependent resistor, or LDR, or photocell, is a light-controlled variable resistor. A thermistor is a type of resistor. Those resistance is dependent on temperature, more so than in standard resistors.
MQ2 smoke sensor that can detect the distance and volume of the smoke.
A smoke detector is a device that senses smoke, typically has an indicator of fire.
We use this sensor to detect the obstacle for the reaction of the arms.
Ultrasonic transducers are transducers that convert ultrasonic waves to electrical signal or vice versa.
30-degree flame sensor is to indicate the flame temperature and fire distance.
A flame detector is a sensor designed to detect and respond to the presence of flame or fire. PIR motion sensor used to detect living things movement. We use this sensor to help our firemen in case if someone's trapped inside the area.
A motion detector is a device that detects moving objects. Let's take a look at the codes.
Check this out, our prototype.
We proudly present the EBOT. Watch our 3DX Max.
For additional, here's our dance presentation.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Just a little bit of patty cake with no hands. Got me in this club making wedding plans. If I take take pictures while you do your dance. I could make you famous on Instagram. Hot damn it, woo. Your booty like 2 planets. Woo. Go ahead and go ham sandwich. Woo. Whoa, I can't stand it. 'Cause you know what to do with that big fat butt. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Just a little bit of.
Give it to me, I'm worth it. Baby, I'm worth it. I'm worth it. Give me, I'm worth it. Give it to me, I'm worth it. Baby, I'm worth it. I'm worth it. Give me, I'm worth it.